Welcome to a compilation of ingenious home improvement projects that showcase the power of creativity and practicality in designing functional spaces. In this video, we'll explore 5 unique ideas to enhance your living environment, from optimizing TV placement to maximizing storage beneath stairs. Our first project features the installation of furniture to accommodate a large LED TV. Watch as we skillfully arrange the furniture, complete with a sleek shelf beneath the TV for added functionality. This not only elevates the aesthetic appeal of the room but also optimizes the viewing experience. Moving on to our second project, witness the transformation of an ordinary space beneath the staircase into a remarkable storage solution. By adding drawers and shelves, we convert a once overlooked area into a stylish and organized storage haven. Say goodbye to wasted space. In our third segment, we take storage innovation to new heights, literally. A staircase is no longer just a means of moving between floors. It becomes a stunning piece of functional art. 7 drawers seamlessly integrated beneath the steps provide an extraordinary storage solution for various items. Not all spaces are created equal, and our fourth project proves that functionality can come in small packages. A shorter staircase, but no compromise on storage. Discover how we ingeniously design a compact staircase with 3 drawers, proving that even limited space can be maximized for storage purposes. Our final feature introduces the brilliant creation by Kelsey Ryan. She takes multifunctional design to the next level with a bed that folds up against the wall, resembling a stylish cabinet when not in use. Witness the transformation as a bedroom turns into a versatile living space with this foldable bed cabinet combo. These 5 projects exemplify the endless possibilities of creative DIY home improvement. From optimizing entertainment corners to reimagining underutilized spaces, these ideas demonstrate that with a dash of creativity, anyone can turn their home into a functional and stylish haven. Stay tuned for more inspiring ideas, and don't forget to like and subscribe for your regular dose of DIY inspiration.